Step into your personal heaven at True Swansea, where every knock on the door welcomes you to your own slice of paradise. Each enclave, whether ensuite or studio apartment, boasts a comfy double bed, a work heaven, and ample storage. Imagine lazy Sunday mornings taking a stroll in the spacious garden with a hot cup of coffee, indulging in your favorite rom-com in the on-site cinema, or catching up the fellow residents in the vibrant social spaces. Situated just a short drive away from the University of Wales Trinity St. David, Swansea Campus, and Swansea University. True Swansea is surrounded by a culinary treasure trove, with spots like the Restaurant Hub and Olive Grill House enticing your taste buds. Whether it's a spontaneous craving or a milestone celebration, the options are endless. And for those serene evenings when solitude beckons, you could visit the Marina Park, which is pleasant right away. Concerned about travel expenses? Fear not, as True Swansea is seamlessly connected to a network of bus stops, including True Accommodation and High Street Station. So immerse yourself in the vibrant spirit of Swansea's cultural tapestry at True Swansea by booking your stay at amberstudent.com today.